Hi, I'm Wade, the Product Support Manager for the Whalen Company. Today, we're going to talk about component placement in the Whalen fan coil unit. So I've already removed the fan cover by removing a screw at the top and a screw at the bottom. They are 1/4 inch nut driver. Behind the fan cover, you'll find the fan. So we'll remove the one screw holding the belly band. That is a Phillips 1/4 by 1.5 inch machine bolt. Phillips drive. The fan will just slip out. You'll have, in this particular model, you'll have 2 plugs that can be unplugged, and the fan will come right out. And behind the fan assembly, you'll find the aquastat. The aquastat is what senses the temperature of the water in the pipes to tell it to either use the phase damper or to use the bypass damper with the auxiliary heat. And to access the condensate drain and boiler drain, if applicable, you'll need to remove the linkage nuts on the linkage down here. Push it back, open the door, and there you can see the condensate drain, which is here, which is actually a slip coupling that lifts up off of this to allow to clear the drain if it needs to be cleared. After opening the bypass damper door, on the opposite side of the slip coupling, you'll find the condensation overflow switch, which is here. It's a typical styrofoam float switch that operates when the water in the condensate pan comes up as there is a clog. It's a normally closed circuit, and it will open the circuit and shut the unit down. And back behind this particular unit, this would be a bottom floor unit on a riser stack. You have a boiler drain right here. This is used to drain the stack in order to do any sort of repairs or flush the system. It's just a simple gate valve, open and close, and it'll let you drain all the water. And behind this plate, we have the damper motor, any associated fan relays if it was a line voltage application, and the damper motor relay. And to access that, you'll remove the damper linkage. And then you have 4 screws that hold the plate. I've already removed 2 prior. Please be careful working in this as the metal edges are very sharp. Now here's your damper motor and blade. This actually plugs in the back of this unit with just a simple Molex plug. Then inside of here, as you can see, we have an electric heat relay. We have an Emerson control box. We have a transformer. And we have our damper motor relay. So in this particular Whalen unit, this is an auxiliary electric unit. In the top of the unit that you can access through the supply grill, you will find the unit disconnect where the power comes into the unit. You'll have the electric heat coil, which sits down inside of this chase, and you'll have the other half of the face damper. When this face damper will close and the electric heat will come on, if the face damper opens, the electric heat shuts off. Thanks for watching our video today, and if you have any other concerns or questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Tech Support Department at the Whalen Company at 443-258-2786.